Hello everyone, good morning and good evening. So my next session is the SQL database, how to install and how to use and what is the benefit and what is SQL. So my first topic and my first classes of SQL is the very important to learner and to develop our industry and project. It is the very important to all programming language for that it is easy, not a difficult for a like a programming language to C, Java and everyone. It is the very important to a learner for SQL. SQL database is a very important for the companies and our industries. Many companies are used for the SQL in the like a database, how to install and how to use and how to retrieve data and how to insert the data to my SQL. It is a very easy topic and you see clearly observe my topic. Are you satisfaction to this improve your this topic? Not a for the topic no go to the other classes and spend the timing. Only you have to my channel subscribes and then observe the databases, what is databases and how to use. First of all, I am show you what is SQL. First, what is the SQL? I am observed this is big and you are not a this is not a visual, so I am visual this topic. Okay, first I am visual this topic and large scale. Go to the font and this is the topic of 18 and this bold and Italian. Are you interested? What are you doing? This is a bold. Okay, and then what is SQL? SQL is the structure query language. A structure query language. Are you observe or not? This is clear. All are you are you slow read and observe clearly, not a lot of read at a time. But are you interested in this topic only for SQL, a structure query language? Then I am going to the what is SQL. SQL is a non-procedural language which is used to the perform all relational databases in 1970. Then I am going to the topic of SQL is a non-procedural language which is used to the operational all relational database products. Are you visual and clearly visual? Are you write down this? Are you measure these notes? You are write down in your copy. It is a very useful. To SQL is the non-procedural language which is used to a operate all the relational database products. Then I will jot this which is used to operational relation database in your system. In 1970 EF coded introduced the relational databases model and also DLS and alpha language. DLS alpha language is nothing. Are you not observe only for DSL and alpha language in IBM? IBM system are team are modify the DSL alpha system is called S square. Again IBM changed the SQL into the SQL language. SQL is a structured English query language. Then a structured query language, first of all it is the square. Then again IBM changed square in the SQL language. Then SQL language. Then after IBM changed this SQL in the SQL. For SQL language change to the SQL. Please so observe. Again IBM company change the square in a SQL language, a structure query language. Then only SQL become SQL. Okay. INSI. What is the INSI? INSI introduced of the NSI is SQL, and in 87 introducing the ISO in SQL. In 1890 released the first version of ISO relations, and it also on etc. Not I read. You read this topic clearly. Are you what are I am saying and what are I doing? Okay, this is very clearly. Then go to the how to store the data. Subquery every databases. Subquery of every databases is a very important topic. Subquery of the every databases. First, you not observe, then I am going to the write this all things. Okay. First, data definition language DDL. 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 Data definition language. 1 minute. DDL. What is DDL? Data definition language. How to use perform this command and how to DDL. Simply, what is DDL? DDL, data definition language. Data definition language, and how to use and how to task are performed. First of all, you have to create DDL command. Are the many policy is there in the DDL. First, create, then another alter, drop, truncate, and rename. It is the it is a used to Oracle 9i version are introduced the rename, but 0.7 versions and all things are not available for rename, but it is introduced by Oracle in 9i rename. This is the DDL command, and how to use a DDL command are you explained deeply, not problem. Then I am going to the second topic of a DML. What is DML? What is a used DML? First, DML is the data manipulation language. Data language. Okay, language. First, what is the use of DML? First, insert. How to insert? I am clearly, are you observe this? All topics are giving the practically, not a only for theoretical part. I am giving the all session and all topics one by one for a practically show how to insert and how to update and how to use and how to install the software in your SQL and how to use it. All things, please clearly insert, then after delete, then after update, merge is introduced by Oracle Oracle 9i. 9i introduced by the rename and Oracle. It is the use for the 9i. No problem. These topics and this topic is the observe clearly, no problem. This and this and this. Oracle 9 introduced by the Oracle 9. I. Sorry, 9i. Introduced by the Oracle 9i. Then another new topic is a data query language. Data query language. Language is short form name of a always time of DQL. And it is the rename, and the another name of this data query language is data retrieval language. How to data retrieve and how to data use very clearly, no problem. Data retrieval, RE language. Okay, no problem. Then enter. No, it is not enter. Okay, so I want to open the new windows. Again data query language. And data retrieval only a select command is used in the DQL. Select command is used in the DQL. Then I am going to another topic is a TCL, transaction control language. Transaction, 1 minute. Control language. Transaction control language. Multiple commands are used in the Oracle. What command? Commit, and second is a rollback, and third is the save point. 3 commands are used in the transaction control language. Data query language, data retrieve language is the only select command, and transaction control, it is the commit, rollback and save point. Then another command are used in the SQL for data control language. How much command are used in the grant, and another one is the revoke, revoke. Grant is the giving the permission and revoke is the cancel the permission. Commit, what is commit? Commit is a always called the save. Rollback matlab like on down, rollback, data retrieve the table, rollback. Save point is nothing, only for save point. It is the all the basis part of the rule of the databases, and it is the clearly observed and what is SQL and what is the invention and which company are the invention and which is version is the invention and what is the task to perform. Data definition language: create, alter, drop, truncate and rename. And data multiplication and DML: insert the data, delete and update and merge. And data query language: only select command. And transition control language is a commit, rollback and save point. Data control language is the DDL, DML and TQL, data relay DQL and TCL and DCL. DCL is the only for two methods and two functions are used: grant and revoke, giving the permission and cancel the permission. This is the about of the SQL, basic SQL. Not for this, if you write this all things are, please define the observably. Data definition language: create, a, alter, drop and a. This name, rename is the 9i, come to the 9i. Data multiplication language: insert, update, delete and merge. Data retrieval language and data query language. Only for the select command are used in the data retrieval language, select command. And then fourth is the transition control unit, TCL: commit, rollback and save point. And DCL: grant and revoke. Thank you for watching this video, and I am clearly observed this how to practical and how to command are used and how to create a statement and how to create a table. To a next session, please watching. This is a very important and must you watching this video.